Hi guys, this is the hack that had just happened. I just wanted to tell you about it. Like, look, it's not even.
We can't even change.
Yeah, we can't even press anything. There's so many.
I'm Jekai's cousin.
Yeah, it's this Brian. Come on, just look at it. Okay, go out, Brian. Come on.
Come on, let's go out now. So
Just wait.
ignore the limits, okay?
Oh yeah, yeah. My mom.
I'm just a 7-year-old.
Go over.
And it's not working.
No, you gotta remove it.
Everyone,
Remember?
let's try again.
Yeah, it will be out. It will be
Let's
already
see.
back. Like, look. Look.
Whoa!
Now it's back to normal.
Never mind that.
Yeah,
see
don't
that.
don't mind it. It's just don't mind. It's your style. Okay, see you later, guys. There will be part 2 or not. Bye.